Hi, this is Carol from Inspiredby, and before starting my DIY, I'd like to invite you to save the date. Now, Angela from Angela's Hangout and I will be doing a collaboration, open invite to all of you to join us on June the 2nd. We will be putting out a video on May the 19th, and that will give you all the information you need to join the collab. So let's start my DIY. That I had purchased that I was going to give away, but I decided to do a refresh. So I decided to spray paint them. As you can see, I kind of overdid with the spray paint by not spraying them on lightly, but I sprayed them on kind of thick and it is dripping. But I'm going to leave it that way, and then I'm going to show you how I embellish them and how I will be using them in my personal space.